natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new line from Creme of Nature, which is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. Moisturizing dry defense. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be reviewing all these products for you guys. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I use it in my hair and all of that. Alright, so stay tuned. You guys know I always show you a demo first, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do before I get into, you know, telling you guys what I think about the product and all of that. Before we even get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Hit it. Thumbs up this video before it even begins if you have natural hair, or if you like natural hair, or if you're planning to transition and you want to go back to your roots. Thumbs up the video and let's get right into this review.
Alright guys, first things first, I'm starting off with my hair dirty. It's been caked up with gel. All I've been doing is wearing it in a bun lately, so I'm gonna see if I can wash some of the product out before I begin to add the other products that I'll be using to cleanse my hair today. So I'm gonna saturate it with water and kind of scrub away at my scalp to lift that old gunk that I have on there. Once my hair is clean, you guys can see the curls begin to show more. So what I'm gonna do now is go in with the shampoo, and it's the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. It has no sulfates, pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. So I'm gonna add in a decent amount of that. Of course, I almost blend myself, but I'm gonna just add that to like my roots and kind of scrub my way through. Of course, I don't want to add the product to the hair directly, but once you add it to your scalp and begin to work it in there, it will run through the rest of your hair and clean it. So your scalp is really all you need to focus on. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my regular normal wash day routine, I'm gonna have it linked on the screen so you can check it out right now. After lathering a little bit, I'm just going to kind of rinse the product out and see how my hair feels. Normally I do like one shampoo, but I really like this shampoo, so I actually decided to go in with a second shampoo just to make sure my hair was really clean. So after rinsing out my second shampoo, I'm going to go in and condition, and I'm using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner, and of course, once again, pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, and no mineral oils or anything like that are in there. So I am actually going to be using like a decent amount of that. I am known, like, you know, naturals use more conditioner than they do shampoo. So when I actually apply this to my hair, I did go ahead and kind of section my hair off. You guys will see it on camera. I sectioned my hair off into two halves so that I could better concentrate the products, because my hair was really dry. I wanted to make sure that it was properly conditioned. So that's all I'm doing, just adding adequate products to make sure that it is saturated with that product. And I'm also going to be doing my detangling process at this point, so you guys will see me go in with the wide tooth comb just to make sure the product has gone through and that my hair is fully detangled. After properly detangling, I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse the product out, and you guys can see this is the amount of shed hair I got. Not a lot, but you know, that's the beauty of using a wide tooth comb. It makes sure that your hair doesn't get torn out while you're combing it. So that's key. Get you a wide tooth comb, girls, like a really strong one, especially if you have thick hair. So I'm just gonna rinse that product out, and I'm gonna move on to the other step. You guys see how my curls are just popping? These products are the truth, I swear. But stay tuned for the actual review portion of the video.
Alright guys, so this is me fresh out the shower. I'm going to take my hair down, and this is my hair with absolutely no product in it, just wash and condition hair. You guys can tell I have a lot of heat damage. I've been saying this in a couple of videos in the past. This is because I flat ironed my hair incorrectly, so that's the reason why I have heat damage, but it's mainly on one side. So to be honest, I don't want to cut my hair off, so I honestly think I'm just going to heat damage the other side, and so that it can be even, because when I do my wash and goes, they really just look off. So this is how my hair is right now after the wash, and everything is very soft. So I'm going to put in some of the breakage leave-in conditioner, and yeah, it's from the same Pure Honey line. I'm just going to take the cap off, and it comes like a spray, but the consistency is actually creamy as well. Quite a generous amount. And my hair is still slightly damp, so it will take the product very well. So I'm just working that product into my hair very, very well, especially on my ends, because you guys know I get very dry on my ends. I think that's a common problem with a lot of people. Alright, so having done this, guys, I'm going to tell you guys what I think about each product that I've used now and all I've paid for it and everything like that. I'm going to go into the actual review portion now that the demo is done. Alright, so let me start first with the shampoo. Alright, so this is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. It's for dry, dehydrated hair, which my hair is always dry and dehydrated, girl. Yes, a pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. So it has 3 main ingredients: no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones. Alright, and that's what this looks like. So of course I use this to go ahead and wash my hair first. And what I like about all 3 products is the smell. It smells so good. First, let me talk about the packaging. They already won me over with how it's packaged, right? It's packaged like a traditional honey or milk bottle. Like the glass look, yeah, it actually mimics the glass look, like honey, glass, or milk if you were buying milk back in the day when they used to sell it in the glass bottle, like that. So I really like the package. It's very chic, and they have the visuals on the side: honey, the coconut, and the shea. So these are the 3 main ingredients. So you already have a feel of the product from looking at the product. So that's marketing 101. Whoever marketed this and did the branding and everything, they're on point. And then the colors just coordinate with the whole theme of what they're going for. The smell, guys, the smell, as always, is the same thing with the argan oil one that they had previously. Same thing, smell really, really, really good. And this, like, it smells more like coconut. It's literally a mixture of the 3 things. Like, it smells so good. So I like the slip this gives, and you guys saw the sud. Like, it was so suddy. It gave me that. It has no sulfates, but it still did that cleaning effect without doing the stripping, and they're known for that. They're known for doing moisturizing type of cleaning. It doesn't strip you and make you feel dry, you know. The hair still felt very soft after the shampoo, so you guys can imagine that. And the smell is totally awesome. So this has a lot of slip. I love that, and I didn't even have to use a lot of product. I shampooed twice, guys. Look where it is. It barely moved. So I think this will last me for a decent number of washes, guys. And here's the price. I paid $9.50 for it, and I got these products at Viviana's. I think it's Vivian's or Viviana's, one of the 2, in Portmore. That's where I got these products from. So yeah, I'm not sure where else they're available, but they are new, so I'm telling you guys right now. Yeah, and it has all the instructions and everything on the side. But this is the shampoo, so that's the process I went in with first. Now for the conditioner, same thing, Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. Has in the same thing, but no sulfate, no mineral oil. And this is how it looks. The shampoo and the conditioner have the same package, but of course you can tell the difference by looking at them, which is which, right? So yeah, this reminds me of the argan oil one again. The same kind of thick consistency, not needing a lot either. I normally use more conditioner than I use shampoo, so I tend to run through the conditioner kind of quickly. But this is very, 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 very concentrated. You don't need a lot. A little bit of this goes beyond a long way, and it smells so good. It smells really good. Like they all smell the same. Love this too. And this also has a lot of slip, so detangling is a breeze. Literally breezy. If you are a finger detangler, this would be really, really awesome for you to use. And then finally, the leave-in conditioner. Now guys, you guys saw me use that just now. First of all, the fact that this is a sprayed on leave-in conditioner and the fact that it is also creamy in consistency, like how did they match up that? Like how? I love that. Even though it's a cream, you don't necessarily squeeze it out, you can spray it on directly onto the hair. I went and sprayed it into my palm because for me that would be easier to apply it because of how my hair is set up. And again, I didn't use, I mean I squirted out, but I didn't use like a lot. I still have a lot left in there, so you guys can see this is actually very, very thick and it smells real good as well. So for this also, no sulfates, no mineral oil of course, but yeah, this is just how it looks. It's the breakup breakage leave-in conditioner. So it seems to me this line is specifically targeting persons with dry, brittle hair, if your hair breaks a lot. And guys, that's a problem I've been having, especially now with the heat damage. It's been breaking hella crazy. I'm wondering what my solution is going to be. So yeah, this is the line, guys. This is what I bought. They also have styling products in the same line, which I do hope to get. So when I go back to Portmore, I'm going to see if I can get them over there. But you know, these are the 3 products that I got, and yeah, that's the tea, guys. Definitely worth the money. I paid $11.50 for the leave-in conditioner, and I paid $9.50 for the shampoo and $9.50 for the conditioner, and these are Jamaican dollars, guys. So one thing I must point out, the amount on the bottle is 355 milliliters. The Creme of Nature Argan Oil is 354 milliliters, and I found that, you know, kind of surprising based on, you know, how the bottles are shaped differently and thing. I would have thought the longer one had more in it, but yeah, it's basically the same, guys, so you're still getting a bargain. I think I paid probably 800 and something, between 700 and 800 for the Creme of Nature Argan Oil. This is 900 and something. So they did step up the pricing a little bit, but no biggie. It's still worth your money, and definitely something to try out if you're looking for something that is definitely targeting breakage in your hair. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the review was helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys found this helpful. If you're going to try it out, comment down below and tell me. If you have already tried it though, let me know what you guys think about it down below. Let me know if you like it, if you think they should continue it or discontinue it if it's not working out. Let me know down below, and follow my social media sites, guys. My Instagram, my Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, everything like that. Everything is going to be linked down below in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.